Hello, my name is Devin and welcome back to another video from Otaku Fandom. Today we're going to be looking at the Figma series of action figures as well as this Figma right here, which is Lancer from the Fate Stay series. But first, what is a Figma? Figmas are a series of Japanese action figures that is produced by the Max Factory and distributed by the Good Smile Company, who also created a series of figure called Ninjoids. The Figma series was first developed by the CEO of Max Factory, Max Watanabe, as well as Masaki Abse. The series is a hand-sized figure that focuses mostly on popular characters from anime, video games, as well as the voice synchronizing software Vocaloids. There are also some Figmas that are based off real people, like the Michael Jackson Figma. Each Figma is sold with a variety of accessories like exchangeable faces, hands, and other accessories that complement the character and the series that they're from. The faces and accessories are all actually interchangeable through all Figmas, making the customization of your collection endless. They're made from an ABS plastic as well as PVC that give it real good durability and really nice detail. They do use a softer plastic around the points of articulation that may be hindered by the poses that they're put in. And while yes, they do vary in size based on the character, they tend to average around 13 centimeters. The Figma motto, translated in English, means moves well, looks good, which pretty much sums up the purpose of the Figma line. The official website does like to boast about 4 key points, which allows for beauty and posability. So the Figma series is designed not only to be well articulated, but to be well sculpted and nice to look at. Unique customization for every character. Each character is designed separately and in proportion with the original designs. Hand-sized figures. Each character is designed to be the size of a hand. This allows for ease of posability and display. Use of the unique Figma joint. The Figma joints are highly precise and allow for great torque, giving collectors the freedom to easily create the poses they desire. The first figure ever released was Haruhi Suzumiya, which was released in 2008 as part of a bundle with the PS2 release of the game Suzumiya Haruhi no Tomodoe. Later that year was the first mass production of the series. This was the Yuki Nagato Figma from the series The Melancholy of Haruhi Suzumiya. Since then, the Max Factory has gone well past their 300th release, creating a very popular and fast-growing series. The Max Factory has released several complementing series to the Figma. This would be the Fig Fix, the Figma Plus, and the Figma Other. The Fig Fix series offers the same art style and accessories, but with a fixed pose, like a statue. Figma Plus consists of various sceneries, such as classroom or street sets, for you to pose your Figmas in. This just adds an extra flair and value to your collection. Figma Other, also known as Figma Rides, consists mostly of vehicles for particular characters, such as Saber's motorcycles, tanks from Girls und Panzer, and other familiar rides. Alright, well that ends our in-depth review of the Figma series. Now let's dive in and take a look at this Figma right here. This is Lancer from the Fate Stay series. It's one of my favorite characters from the series, so let's just dive right in. Here he is. This is Lancer from the Fate Stay series. Take a look at the awesome details in his armor, on his core, his hair. The fine details in his hair is awesome. His spear, his lance, they got every little detail. It's probably my favorite weapon from the game. I know people like Excalibur, but this spear is fantastic. And they add in so much detail. They've got great detail on his face. He's got a wink going on there. It's like he knows he's being filmed. The earrings and everything. Just the little things that make the character, and they catch it all with these Figmas. It's fantastic. Here we've changed up his position a little bit just to show off some of the posability of the figures. We switched out the faceplates. He's got a more aggressive facial expression, changed out hand postures, just to show off the different accessories that you can do. All right, now we're going to take a look at the box that it comes in, so you can see what it looks like when you get it. Note the clear display of the different face plates, the lance, the figure itself. Not only that, the great detailed artwork on the box, as well as it's a great reference point. And what I mean by that is it's got some different options there for posability, just to show off some of the stuff that you can do. But you know, it's not limited to just what they show you. And that concludes our in-depth review of the Figmas series by Max Factory. My name is Devin with Otaku Fandom. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe with the notification bell on so you can be notified when we post our next video, and we'll catch you next time.